So apparently there's another movie coming out featuring a bunch of these demon slayers such as Alexander Pagani. Well, he would prefer us call him Apostle Pagani, but I'm not going to do that.
Don't play with Apostle Pagani.
Isaiah Saldivar, and then even a guy from my country called Leon de Pree, who's totally whack. He says that he can leave his body and go spy on his wife and so forth.
Because as a prophet, let me tell you, I can sit here right now. I can leave my body by my will, walk out of here, and go see what my wife is doing and come back.
So I wasn't aware of this movie, but I saw a video on Revealing Truth's channel. And so the thing that stood out for me was when I saw the poster, the font they used is actually the font used for the band AC/DC. So here's the band AC/DC. You can see it's the exact same font. Okay. Here's another album cover, AC/DC, for the album Highway to Hell. So yeah, they were one of the early heavy metal bands. So yeah, the same font. So I was like, okay, that's weird. I thought these guys had so much discernment and, they know everything about casting out demons and so forth. They are the demon slayers. So anyway, so I noticed they use that font. And then also what I noticed, something that stood out for me, was they even used a lightning bolt between the two V's in Revival. Now, those of you who are not aware, the lightning bolt is used in Satanism as a symbol for Satan's fall from heaven. In Luke chapter 10 verse 18 it says, "And he said to them, I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven." Okay, so that's why you see the lightning bolt in the AC/DC logo. It's not there to represent alternating current or direct current. It's there to represent Satan's fall from heaven. So here you can see a pentagram, and it's got the lightning bolt in there. Here's another image of a pentagram with a lightning bolt, and it says, "Hail Satan." And in this image we have Anton LaVey, the founder of the Church of Satan, the author of the Satanic Bible. And around his neck you can see the pentagram with the lightning bolt. So this is a symbol that's widely used in Satanism to represent Satan's fall from heaven. So it was pretty, kind of laughable when I saw this poster, and here we have all these self-appointed demon slayers, self-appointed apostles, and they're using the AC/DC font, and they even have the lightning bolt in the word revival. Like, does these guys not possess any discernment? Yeah, pretty funny. I mean, I don't know what to say. I can only laugh at some of these things, but anyway, I just wanted to point that out. So yeah, if you want to know more about this film, go check out the video on Revealing Truth on the YouTube channel. And till next time, blessings and bye.